In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set date and time limit for quiz in Google Form. This is a simple way to control when students can submit a quiz, so you can keep the assessment on schedule and prevent late responses. Start by opening the Google form that you want to use for your quiz. Make sure you are in the form editor, where you can see your questions and settings. When you are ready, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. This is where you manage how your form is shared and how responses are collected, including options that let you close the form automatically. After you click Publish, find and select the option that says Set Close Date or Response Limit. This setting is designed to stop new submissions based on a rule you choose. In this case, you will use a date and time deadline, which is helpful for quizzes that must end at a specific moment. Next, toggle on the option labeled On a Date. Once it is enabled, you will see a date and time picker. Use the picker to select your desired deadline date. Then set the exact time you want the form to stop accepting responses. Take a moment to double-check the time you choose, especially if your quiz ends during the afternoon or evening, since selecting the wrong time can close the form earlier or later than you intended. Also pay attention to the time zone your account is using, because the closing time follows that time zone. At this point, you have an optional setting that can improve the experience for respondents. You can edit the message that people will see after the form closes. This message appears when someone tries to open the quiz after the deadline, or when they refresh the page after closing time. Keep it short and clear, such as letting them know the quiz is no longer accepting responses and what they should do next. When everything looks correct, click Save. This confirms your close date and time settings and activates the limit for your quiz. Now your Google Form quiz will automatically stop taking responses at the deadline you selected. And that covers everything you need to know.